Determining goals and making consistent efforts for success. 1. Clarity of purpose. Clearly define your goals and understand why they are important. 2. Set realistic goals. Make achievable and measurable goals to stay focused and motivated. 3. Develop a plan. Create a detailed plan to achieve your goals step by step. 4. Stay consistent. Regular efforts, even small ones, lead to long-term success. 5. Overcome challenges. Be ready to face and overcome obstacles with patience and determination. 6. Stay positive. Maintain a positive mindset to handle failures and setbacks effectively. 7. Learn from mistakes. Use failures as opportunities to learn and grow stronger. 8. Seek guidance. Get advice and mentorship from experienced individuals to stay on track. 9. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge and celebrate small achievements to stay motivated. 10. Stay committed to growth. Continuously strive for self-improvement and adapt to new challenges.